And check out the view from the CTV Skywatch camera. We're looking out to the northeast there. A little cloudy, 14 degrees where we're at right now. That is our daytime high. 4 degrees was our low, and we achieved that at midnight. A little windy today, but that's what accounted for those warmer temperatures, although most people are saying, I'd rather have it a little cooler and less windy. Well, you know, your order's been taken care of, because as we get into this weekend, you'll lose the wind, temperatures will drop, and we have some precipitation on the way. Look at this. We haven't seen this strip of orange in a while, indicating the warmer air mass, but that's all going to break down. Area of high pressure is still evident in southern Alberta, but the density of it is collapsing, so it's not as high up in the upper levels as it was before. It's starting to shrink. It's still at the surface, but it's going to collapse as we get into the afternoon hours tomorrow, so we'll reach our daytime high early, and then the temperature will slide down. Right now, though, can't really see it indicated on radar, but we do have that cloud cover that's mixing in. Got some precipitation in the Continental Divide area. Heavy snowfall warnings are out for areas in the elbow of Alberta, similar to yesterday, from Prince George all the way into the Grand Prairie area and areas east of that north of us. You can see where that track of snow, and it will start to migrate further south as we get further into the weekend. Still have that area of high pressure, as I said, at the surface, giving us some protection until late in the day tomorrow when the temperatures start to collapse. But it looks like for us here in Lethbridge, we won't be seeing that precipitation make its way into southern Alberta. Well, in Lethbridge anyway. Medicine Hat, you folks, maybe late in the day tomorrow, but for us, looks like Friday. 3 degrees in St. John's. Nice temperatures here, but heavy rainfall warnings up for southern Quebec. All through the Maritimes could see, in some areas, 50 millimeters of rain by this time Friday. -9 degrees in Winnipeg, +1 in Regina, -3 in Saskatoon, -9 in Edmonton. So you can see the collapse of the cooler temperatures there. We've got showers and heavy rainfall warnings out for the BC coast, but Whitehorse and Yellowknife both managed to see some sunny breaks this afternoon. East Kootenay are looking at cloudy skies tonight, chance of showers, 3 degrees for a low. Tomorrow, mainly cloudy with a chance of showers, 9 degrees for a high. Partly cloudy in the Crow's Nest Pass tonight and windy, 4 degrees for a low. Windy tomorrow, 11 degrees for a high, but evening showers expected as that area of high pressure collapses, allowing those low pressure centers to rotate in, bringing you some precipitation. Medicine Hat, you'll be the first area to see that snowfall, and that's because the counterclockwise rotation of the low coming in south of us and then rotating up. You'll see some snow first, 5 degrees for a high tomorrow, but that snow late in the day. And here in Lethbridge, we're expecting a few clouds tonight, 5 degrees for a low. Tomorrow, we'll hit that high of 12 early in the day, and then temperatures start to slide down the scale as we get into the afternoon hours. And big change from tomorrow into Friday. We get into a north-northwesterly flow that cools us down to -1. Start to see flurries on Saturday, and then on Sunday, we're looking at, well, late in the day Friday, we'll start to see flurries, but flurries as well on Saturday. Sunday, it doesn't look very different, but Sunday's the day where we have periods of snow developing as a more serious area of low pressure moves in. But then we start to clear out Monday. Sun and cloud mix, but still with that chance of leftover flurry activity, and that could take us into Tuesday as well, just taking a couple of extra days to clear out that low pressure activity and bring us back into better temperatures as we head towards the middle of next week. Now, workouts that pump up your cardio help increase blood circulation through your body. It's a good thing to do for your muscles and just your feeling of well-being, but now studies are showing that you can reduce your chances of getting age-related macular degeneration by a whole 36%. So even more reason to get out there and work out. And that's our Draffins PharmaSave Live Better tip for this week.